Well, we're so delighted with the way our International Women's Day 2024 event turned out here at Riverland Community College. We had three amazing educators presenting about their experiences and work in an international level. Dr. Bonnie Bessie Reeds, the chair of the Hormel Foundation and former Riverland faculty, talked about the experiences she and her husband Tim had during 4 years of living and working in Madagascar. Then, Dr. Oke Ukaga, who's our Dean of Ag and Food Science, talked about the work that he has done in Nigeria with women's development. And the presentation finished with Dr. Barb Houle, a psychology instructor here at Riverland, talking about the amazing work she has done with the Books for Africa project in Swaziland. All three of these individuals have made an impact and to help us understand the challenges that women face around the world.